We're looking west. Rogers Pass is to our right, and the Trans-Canada Highway and the Cant Track can be seen below us. By using the Cant and Mount Macdonald tunnels, trains avoid the most intensive avalanche danger in the section of line that was exposed to the deepest snowfall. However, there are still places, particularly on the western slopes, that are exposed to avalanches. Snow sheds protect the tracks and carry snow over the tracks so that they are not blocked by avalanches. Revelstoke is another crew change point and the end of the mountain sub and the start of the shoe swap sub. There's a small yard here, but little switching or maintenance is done. It's mostly a staging yard where trains are held waiting for fresh crews. Revelstoke's original name was Big Eddy because of the abrupt bend in the Columbia River here. When the railway surveyors arrived, they named it Second Crossing for the crossing of the Columbia River here. Mount Revelstoke is a national park. A road winds its way to the top, and many scenic views are available. A crew boards a westbound as an eastbound pulls into the former depot, now CP offices. Little time is wasted getting the trains on their way again. As the trains carry on their journey east to Calgary and beyond, and west to Vancouver, we have reached the end of our journey through Canada's beautiful Rocky and Selkirk Mountains. Thanks for joining us. We hope you've enjoyed this Canadian railway adventure. If you have enjoyed this program, you might like to check out the companion rail adventure Rails to the Kenai. You'll travel aboard the Alaska Railroad's Anchorage to Seward train alongside the Turnagain Arm and through the spectacular scenery of the Kenai Peninsula. On the way, you'll see glaciers and lofty peaks reflected in the serene lakes, moose, Dall sheep, bald eagles, and the trains themselves passing through the scenery. At Seward, you will take a boat ride to the Kenai Fjords National Park and an airplane ride to see the brown bear. Truly spectacular.